Good morning. It is Sunday morning. It's about 6:15 a.m. We got up around 6 and are now just waiting for our apartment host to bring our breakfast, which is coming at 6:30.
She's kindly bringing it very early.
Yes.
Their normal breakfast is like 8 to 10 or 11.
8 to 11, yeah. So
we asked her if she could bring us stuff because we're trying to adventure today.
Yeah. So after breakfast, we're going to go explore some waterfalls. And then take a cooking class in the afternoon.
Easy. Wow.
We have some just basic instant coffee. I have some cantaloupe, some pineapple, and some watermelon. And then, what do you think these little guys are?
It's a pastry, obviously, with like banana or something inside.
Yeah, cut one open for us.
Yeah, banana.
Nice. Looks tasty. I'm such a silly American. This is papaya. This is not cantaloupe. Way too orange. But check out this view from our balcony. Kind of awesome. Trying to be extra cautious, especially after eating so much local food. So, what are these? Immune pills?
Immune support, yeah.
Our safety concoction. Add some protein bars. Bringing 2 of these big old waters today. We don't really know what we're getting into. We just know that we're adventuring and seeing some waterfalls. Nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was so good.
It was very good.
Very delicious.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, so we've decided that we're going to try to basically get a Gojek to one waterfall and convince him to drive us around all morning to different waterfalls.
Yep.
And in the time being, we are going to get a coffee because the instant powdery one just didn't do. So
Listen to him what we need.
I personally need some caffeine,
Yes.
so this is good.
It's okay, you can white thing like
Perfect.
This
Thank
place
you.
is pretty fun. Little puppies. What's up, little boy? Hello.
Good morning. Yes.
Yeah. So, can we get you to take us to several different waterfalls?
Yeah, okay. You can.
You can?
Yeah.
Okay.
Basketball?
Yeah, in Ubud.
Oh no, I didn't know.
Yeah.
We just got here yesterday.
Yeah.
But no, but today.
Where
Yes.
at? Canto Lampo Waterfall. Hello.
Ya, this para kita serpas.
We're at the first waterfall, or we're not there yet, but we're walking up to it. And it's just like straight up in the middle of a village, kind of. Like apparently Ubud has a ton of waterfalls surrounding it, and I mean, there's civilization everywhere, so this is super cool.
Crazy.
All right, we got our tickets. A lot more than we initially anticipated, so we might be scrounging for cash today. So we'll see how this goes. Please don't change your clothes in this area. Run into our first little waterfall section. This will be the bigger one right there. Fun. Now headed to the other side of the waterfall, where the other stairs lead. And check out the river more, really. And there's a pool. Hello, little buddy. These steps are steep. Video does not do it justice. Whoa, got some little birds here, just hanging. Master maneuvering down here. We've arrived at the next waterfall. It's Gojek, or however you pronounce it. Quick update. We thought we were going to run out of cash, and we're realizing that every waterfall costs money.
Yep.
And it's not that it's a lot, it's just that we don't have enough cash.
The cash is important to have.
Yeah, so we just confirmed our rate with the driver, and it was on the better side, so we're good.
Yeah.
We have just enough cash for everything, we think.
The right amount.
So,
hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. It is a little slippery down here.
Yeah. All the mossy rock.
Hello. Yeah, there's either everybody hikes in or there's absolutely nobody here. So this is wild. But these steps are steep. They're like downward steep, not, I don't really know how to explain that. Some cool art on the walls as well as we head down towards the waterfall. So Ring Waterfall, 50 meters. This waterfall is certainly more rugged to get to, so this will be interesting. We have like a narrow pathway, but you kind of see it down there. Yeah. As we get closer down, we're realizing that it's probably not worth it to go all the way. For one, it's incredibly slippery and sketchy looking. We have Mount Batur tomorrow, and two, we have run into a massive spider web. So
it's enough information to say do not pass.
Yeah, we're just kind of like, this is a sign to enjoy the view, and that's it. We're now headed down to the water temple here at Gojek. It might have come to an end before we even got to the water temple. It says only with local guide. Looks like that's the water temple right there. And there's a little bit of a river coming down and out towards the actual waterfall. So now we turn around, I guess, and
go back up.
Sweat and breathe heavy. Me too. This is a very steep trek on the way out of Gojek Waterfall. We're breathing a little heavy. Yeah. A Schmeagle statue.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oko.
Definitely the most established spot we've been to, but there's restaurants and fields and everything. This Tibumana waterfall area is super pretty.
Super pretty.
This is awesome. So we're going down to Tibumana waterfall. This one is very well maintained and very pretty.
Lots of
Certainly,
shops and restaurants.
yeah,
along the way.
tons of shops and restaurants. It's certainly the most established one that we've been to out of these three. Looks like they're building some bridges over there, so that's pretty cool. Continue our hike down to the waterfall though. Wow, check it. Currently walking on a bamboo bridge. And it's pretty flexible. Looks like they're building a nicer one right here though. That bamboo bridge is flex, note to self. So pretty. Quick review of Tibumana waterfall. It was super pretty. Beautiful. And just awesome. Definitely the best one we saw. Best maintained and just all in all a really great area. Yeah, great experience.
A really good thing. Like,
Yeah, the temperature's been great. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. Good morning, Mrs. Rooster. Parking lot and just look at these fields. This is some beautiful scenery. Cycling.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
No problem.
No worries.
No worries. Thank you so much
Yes,
for
thank you.
driving us everywhere.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
we'll do. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you.
have a-
Careful.
All right, Ida just dropped us off. There's a royal cremation ceremony of sorts going on, so we'll have to walk the last little leg back to our Airbnb.
what time are they picking us up?
Hello. I'll be running with some breakfast. It's about 10:30 a.m. All right.
Another day, another hazelnut and vanilla latte. Oh wow.
That's significantly better than this
So
morning.
much better. Actually, a good cup of coffee.
I think we found our new coffee place by the Airbnb. Wow.
Amazing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Man, that looks good. Scrambled toast. So sourdough, mushrooms, egg, and cheese. Scrambled egg, mushrooms, sourdough, avocado, and it's freaking delicious. That was so good. Thank you. That was incredible.
That was an awesome
10 out of 10.
place.
Great coffee.
Coffee, food,
Great food.
ambiance.
It's about 180K, so maybe like $13, but not bad. Not terribly expensive, and for a latte and a solid breakfast, I'd do that.
Avocado toast alone in the States is like $13, $14.
So we just changed into tennis shoes and then took like a little 15-minute rest And now we are headed to a supermarket that's about a 15-minute walk away to meet the driver for the Balinese cooking class.
It'll be so fun.
It's 5 dishes and 1 dessert, and it's like a whole thing. So
Hope
we're
we
super
learn some
pumped.
good stuff.
Yeah. So this is people for the ceremony that's happening. We're unfortunately going to miss it because of the cooking class, but this happens like once in a lifetime.
I need one of these hats.
It is quite a bit toasty out here. We're thinking about getting some massive rice hats.
It's hot.
It is hot as heck. After a very hot and humid 15-minute walk, we've made it to Pepito Market, which is where we're meeting up for the cooking class. Look at this market. This is awesome. All right, we need some mosquito repellent. Looks like all they have. We don't really know if this is mosquito or not.
On it.
Okay, we've decided that this one's going to do. Looks like it's mosquito repellent. We know this brand, but this looks the same. Looks pretty. Yeah, no mosquito. Perfect. We need some bandages. We can just get this 20 pack.
Yeah.
20 pack of bandages. Waters seem to be the cheapest. Pick up 2 of those.
Woo!
Woohoo! Now we're gonna try to find some snacks. They have like some normal potato chips. So many different flavors.
Looking at marshmallows.
Never got these yesterday, so we're gonna grab some of these. We found popcorn, so we're gonna have to grab something. We love popcorn. I'm gonna follow it up with some more caramel popcorn. Found another aisle of sweets, so I think we're gonna have to try something.
Something fun.
I think we grabbed some wafers. Look at all these different wafers up here. These look pretty dang good, don't they?
Yeah.
Black vanilla, double chocolate, or chocolate. All right, we're gonna send it with some of these double chocolate wafers. Hello.
By card minimum 100 transaction. You have
Oh,
cash?
gonna add this to use your card. Those look good. We're loaded to the brim with goodies.
That is stacked full.
I don't know if I should wear it because it's gonna crush everything.
Probably fine.
Okay.
Jungle.
Yay!
Yeah, thank you. Balinese Farm Cooking School. Woohoo! This place is awesome. Actually, it's my favorite song.
We have the giant
Yeah.
muskies for you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
And if you want to take some picture, you can tell Putra later to help you to take some photo later. But one picture.
Starting this tour off right. Come on.
This one is the basket, and this is for you.
Thank you.
And to grow the pineapple, it take time. I need you waiting around 1 years.
Oh, wow.
To grow a pineapple?
Yeah,
Holy moly.
until you find the first fruit. But the second fruit, just
Mamaya tree. Ah!
and I need you take one the whole thing also for its basket.
You want to do this one, Moo?
Yeah.
Sure.
Pakai, bokeh,
Nice.
Nice.
Atta girl. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, this one is turmeric. We use a lot for food coloring, for energy drink, for medicine. And when you cut your finger, this is good to stop the bleeding.
Oh.
But it's
okay.
like sting you. You
Yeah.
want any one of you
Yeah, here
volunteer?
you go.
No, no.
Arabica. Wow.
We use the customer and the staff here.
Oh, yeah?
That is come more strong and more expensive.
That's so funny. There's some coconuts.
A lot of the Balinese people, they can climb the coconut.
Really? Can you?
Me?
You climb?
No. You can see from my body, so I'm the holder.
That would be
And
very
this one
difficult.
is the taruru. Yeah.
Look at this chick. She's a native.
Sledry. Yeah, sledry, similar.
Celery. Okay.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
we will put, we use for
Yeah.
decoration for on your curry. That later is for the taste.
Oh,
and the
nice.
aroma, that is good.
This tour of the farm is legit. Super nice. Some aprons. Have a little cooking station. Our veggies. Our book.
Professional.
Yeah, yeah. More thin. And then when you're done, cut this one, and then put in here with the bench spray. Wortel also, right? And, yeah, we call wortels. Yeah, yeah. Put in here. Yeah. Almost. That is great. Bring the knife or the spoon. Don't garlic and salad put together.
Oh, you just lost half the green bean.
Where?
In the back.
It's okay.
One.
Haha.
If you like crunchy, I need you boil 1 minute. After 1 minute, I need you add all of this.
Okay.
All of this later after 1 minute. You want to use Balinese time? There's the chili. Yeah. No?
Coconut.
And like this one.
What?
On the
There
fire.
we go.
Yeah. Because the chili is more fast to cook than the garlic and onion. That garlic and the onion we will cook until slightly brown. Purple? Yeah.
Haha.
Hot.
Try.
Mama.
Okay, you know already. Yep, you can put the chili in.
Put the chili in.
And this one, and the honey broom, and if you put underneath.
Okay.
Under the more.
Stir action going on here.
Okay, that is good. Fire off and then put everything in there.
Mix that up, girly.
Okay, and now you can put
Oh, that is hot. Oh, crap.
that process in Bali we call urab. That the reason the name is sayur urab. We find the name from the process.
Oh my gosh.
Let me show you. You can take with your hand. You with the spoon. That's all pepper.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Sweet little heart. Page 6. Sweet and sour tempeh.
On the fire, this one is petrol.
Turn the fire on.
Yeah, no, that is sunflower oil.
Man.
Okay, and now,
Straight petrol.
yeah, that cover you used to cover your sayur urap. Yeah.
Cover this.
Yeah, that to cover. Yeah, that is okay.
Nice. Tempeh.
Don't cut the finger. Put back on.
So good now.
No, I will. That garlic, I will cook until you find the aroma. One of you stir, one of you add the ingredient.
Okay.
Go. And then one of you stir, one of you add salt and pepper, a half, less than before. And then after you're done, add salt and pepper, put a half of that sugar. Okay, it's okay.
Looking good. Smells really good.
Can you add the tempeh for us? Yeah. And then you can do toss.
Toss.
Just stir it, Moo.
Yeah, I don't trust myself.
I can
Stir.
do it.
Sauce. Yeah, perfect. Try. Use the sweet and sour should be balanced. When it's too sweet, add more.
It's hot.
Yep.
What do you think? You try already?
Sweet or sour? I feel like it's probably fine.
Tastes good to me. He might.
You like sweet?
Everything.
Yeah. Page 11.
What? Rice?
Oh. Bali.
So we put here. This similar like India.
No,
Almost.
Often. But
not like this.
Like this, use the wrist also. This hand you use to cover to find more energy. Put all in the middle.
Oh my.
This we need a lot of the energy. Because we need until like a paste, more tasty, more tasty.
It's gonna become a paste?
Yeah, more tasty.
Holy s-
Curry. And now, and then you open your book on page number chicken. We will make Balinese chicken curry. Yeah. And then add
The half teaspoon. Is this like
Yeah.
this chicken. And now, and then you turn on the fire and then start with the wooden spoon. And this one is water. Bali is mean Bali. Satay is mean 1 tablespoon of the bumbu Bali.
One more pepper.
1 tablespoon in there. And then squeeze.
okay?
And then use the finger. This process in Bali we call lilit. Like pinch it,
Okay.
bring around the stick, and
Okay.
then done. Make bigger on the top and skinny the bottom.
Little
Okay.
corkscrew action.
All right.
Keep doing.
You made it look so easy.
Yeah, that is great.
No pattern.
US style.
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 Ja, ik vind het ook mooi. Omdat jij je hebt ze allemaal gemaakt.
The last you have tuna with some lime. And then add a quarter teaspoon salt and pepper in there.
With some.
And remove the seed and then squeeze in there. That one is kefir lime.
It's salty. I like it.
If you like spicy, you can put more. Kuang santan.
Do I need to drop the...
No, that's
Mix.
yeah, please. What's your name? And you medium.
Medium?
Medium well.
Medium.
You want to do fire like that?
Whoa! Come on.
Yeah, no.
Pittsburgh style.
Next time bring the petrol.
Oh,
This
whoa.
is the roll inside.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see. I
Okay.
gotcha.
Let's take one by one. Don't touch the pan.
Yeah.
It's really hot.
Yeah.
On the tuna, on the top, on the side. And later, serve in here.
Thank you.
Okay, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's it was really well. And we actually had used the translator.
Back at the supermarket. So now we have another 20-minute walk home. The cooking class was super legit. Hopefully we can do it justice by putting some clips together, but you've got to check it out if you come to Bali. It's totally worth it. Booking it because we gotta pee so dang bad.
Do they need to know that?
Sure. Yes, it's a good sign. Go, go, go.
Almost 6.
we are gonna have an early night tonight, so last thing we're gonna go do is we're gonna get a little relaxation massage.
Yeah, try a new place and
something
a new type of
different.
massage.
Yeah, and then we're gonna try and get right to bed right after that. So we've probably got an hour and a half left of being awake, and then we're going to sleep so we can wake up for our 2 a.m. pickup for our hike tomorrow. This is for me for later.
Thank you. Quick outro to the vlog for today. We ended with a massage at Real Spa, which is right next door. It was solid. We tried out the relaxation massage, which was supposed to be less like thumb pressing and more just long movements and stuff. It was essentially the exact same thing for me as the Balinese massage, minus the really hard thumb pressing on the spine. But for Macy, it was the exact same massage. So we're not sure if the masseuse just had it wrong or what, but it was still solid. It was nice to get in our daily massage. And then we came home and took a shower and ate some of the French fried chips and some caramel popcorn, which is really, really good. And now we're going to go to bed super early. It's 7:30 p.m., but we have to catch a ride at 2 a.m. for the sunrise hike. So we'll see you bright and early.